Make some real friends. Quit dreaming. Get a job. When the world tells you how to play, we say, win it your way.
Whenever we release a new product, we always get asked, when are you gonna do the G502 wireless? Today is a very exciting day. Gamers all over the world love the G502 for its incredible performance and amazingly customizable features. The G502 Lightspeed wireless gaming mouse has all the same great features like 11 programmable buttons, the hyper-fast scroll wheel, weight tuning, and light sync RGB technology. But now we've added advanced button tensioning, Lightspeed wireless technology with our most advanced Hero 16K sensor, and of course PowerPlay for continuous wireless charging. For years we've been developing our ecosystem of Lightspeed wireless technologies that make light, powerful wireless gaming mice. When you combine this with the complete redesign of the internal structure of the mouse, you can enable a wireless experience without compromising the original qualities that made the G502 so amazing. Now you don't have to choose between the freedom of Lightspeed wireless technology and the popular high-performance design of the G502. To find out more about the G502 Lightspeed wireless gaming mouse, head over to logitechg.com and keep playing.
Is a top-tier competition mouse.
Top tier specs.
Top notch. The combo now of the rounded feet and the lighter body did feel better during use, and I feel like made me play better, and I was at the top of the leaderboard each time.
58 grams is that really beautiful sweet spot for the Viper shape.
Top to bottom, front to back, guys, perfectly balanced.
Sturdy with no creak, rattle, or flex.
Absolutely solid with a holeless design.
This sensor is definitely made to be used at the highest level of gaming.
Tracking on this mouse is going to feel immaculate. It's just smooth, extremely responsive, and just one of my favorite mice to actually use.
And these are the best optical switches I've tried for now.
All out on performance.
Fantastic product, and you're gonna love it. I can't get it off my desk.
Have to put this in the conversation for best mouse of the year.